in our series called Dragons. And I'm going to be joined by Wolfie Short. She just ain't here because of technical difficulties. Later in the series, or this episode, we're going to be joined by Bick and Panther Drawler. Yeah, so we'll just wait until Wolfie gets on to do some progress. Bye for now. So first of all, you gotta punch a tree because that's just how Minecraft works, guys. And I am very laggy. I can't even punch a single block without it regenerating again and again and again.
Really? I don't even see the breaking part of the block.
Okay,
like,
this got to stop.
I'm just holding, I'm just keep punching it. I don't even see breakage. I just hold it and then it's just gone.
Oh my goodness, why? What is this lag? Okay, so today we're probably in adventure mode now, so,
No, keep punching, keep punching it. Keep punching it. See? It works.
And then it just regens.
What?
I'm disconnecting and reconnecting because this is ridiculous.
This is what I call it. So first we gotta find a good place to live. I don't want to live in a forest. I prefer plains. But
I prefer to live and not be glitching out. Oh my gosh. This lag is getting ridiculous. Why? Oh, sorry.
Hello. I accidentally cut down the tree you're trying to cut down. My bad.
Why? Someone explained to me,
Why don't you kill, some animals? Because I'm getting a little peckish.
Okay. But this Minecraft just doesn't want to work for me. I don't know why. So I guess we're punching animals until the game fixes itself.
Where to live? So far as the sand island?
I thought it was called a desert.
No, it's like an island. I guess it could be a desert, but I'm pretty sure it's an island. Because it's surrounded by water.
Okay.
You could just live here, but I'd rather go exploring for a plane.
Oh, come on, lag. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. First the map. First I can't punch anything. Now the map doesn't even want to load in. This is getting ridiculous. Hey, chicken.
You see?
Punching chickens with your bare fist. The qualities of Minecraft.
I'll make you a pickaxe. Wait, could you even break anything with that pickaxe?
It works! Peoples, we have reached the accomplishment of punching something and making it break. It's beautiful here. It's so beautiful! Okay, back to punching wood.
You really have a lagged computer, don't you, Drive?
Yes, I do. Someone send me a better computer.
Send them better computer.
Like, people were just like, are you gonna say how about just like better computer? Because that's what I really need right now. A better computer.
Not a better mouse. Not a better a headset, mic, or something.
Who cares about that? Right now we need a computer that actually works.
Yeah, I'm killing a sheep with my bare hands. And it's working.
I killed a chicken.
Our first piece of wool. Oh yeah, we're not gonna have to think about that.
I just realized me and you are living in separate places because I still can't find you.
Oh wait, you're looking for me?
No.
So you're not looking for me?
No, I just wait. There's a chicken. Oh gosh, stop! Lagged. I don't even know if it's lagging on our screen or not, but for me, I can't move an inch. All right, chicken.
Hey, yours seems good. Where are you?
Dang it. Oh gosh, no, lag!
Jeez, that's weird.
Punch it! Yay, I did it.
Every time I jump, it loads in, and it just doesn't stop something.
Okay, now I need to find you and turn off auto jump.
Where are you? I'm jumping over here. I'm wasting hunger.
I have 2 chickens.
I got 2 muttons.
Oh, I see you, dude.
Wait, where? Oh, hello. So I'm gonna make.
Oh, got lag spike.
Well, I'm gonna make my house there.
I'm gonna make my house underground. We all know what these people truly want.
Dragon.
Yes, we're basically clickbaiting them right now.
The first episode name is a new series.
Yes, Dragons, the new series. Oh gosh.
Well, you gotta start somewhere. It's not like we're showcasing it, so we're good.
Yep.
We're good.
I hope we're good. Oh gosh, stop.
Don't hurt us.
We are good people, okay?
Yeah. I'm making my house right here. Oh no, it's raining.
Wait, it's night?
It's raining.
Oh gosh.
No, why rain?
Rain! We need you to go away.
Go away, rain. No one likes you.
Ugh. What are we doing with our lives? I'm just mining and trying to commentate. But it's not really successfully bringing interesting content. We need some quality, and I'm blocking myself off. No mobs allowed. Imagine we just make that sign. Like, I just make an underground house with a sign saying no mobs allowed.
No mobs allowed. Kill off mobs. Nobody likes you. Shoot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would show them. Yeah.
Show them a sign.
Yeah.
What should I pull right now?
I wish I had some light. Sorry for that beeping in the background. That's just...
Oh, it's fine already. Oh, I need stone sword now. I mean, wrong thing. I need a stone pick now, which is what I got.
Oh, I got a stone pick.
Oh wow, we're both doing it at the same time. Wow.
No, I already had a stone pick.
Oh, never mind then.
I'm mining right now.
Same. I'm getting iron. What are you getting?
Nothing but pure stone.
I mean, yeah. We need that for a furnace. Oh, look, I see a stone.
And now it's Solomon moment.
I see an Enderman. Do we kill Enderman? I mean,
Why do we need to kill Enderman?
The Ender Dragon. Do we still need to kill the Ender Dragon?
Why would we need to kill the Ender Dragon? We have our dragons.
True. The other dragons.
Who needs the Ender Dragon when you have a Fire Dragon? Am I right?
Yes, if you are. Need an Ender. Oh! Well, that's a ravine. Well.
Yay, ravines!
Where should I be? I'm here.
Right.
Yeah, like right here.
Look at you.
No, we're not. Yes.
There we go, brighten up the area a bit. Just a bit.
Oh no, there's zombies out here.
Of course there's zombies.
No, I'm kidding. No,
I'm just living in mind.
Yeah, like, what to do? Oh man, I didn't get enough cobblestone. Dang it. Whoa. That's an Enderman. What do Endermen got against water, huh, Enderman?
I don't know. They live in the end. There's no water, but there's no grass, nor trees, or anything.
Like, they could teleport. Why is water there like this?
I don't know. Ask the creator of Minecraft.
Not, which is I am assuming the creator of Minecraft.
Then you will be right.
Why are Endermen hurted by water?
I mean, they must have some weakness. Superman is kryptonite, and Enderman is water. Saying that out loud makes me look stupid.
How does that make you look stupid?
No, it makes me feel like, yeah, you're right, dude. That is the dumbest thing ever.
I'm doing this. I'm punching trees. Oh my!
I'm chopping.
So strong.
Yo, man, I'm chopping trees. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way with an axe.
I'm punching it. I'm gonna have such a strong punch. It's gonna be like, hey, yeah.
Like you be bullying. You got. Oh.
Oh, is there a problem I should know about? Punch to the face. In
Nope.
your face.
No one.
Oh, look, here's some zombies. I'm gonna punch them. Get a load of my punches.
And that's why more people.
Oh, by the way, keep inventories on because I do not wish to have to keep inventory. Why are there so many zombies?
I don't know.
There's like, fine. I'm switching to the pickaxe. Switching. I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm punching.
I like how like Wolfie's just beating up No, we must.
Oh my gosh, there's
No.
about to be 5 zombies. Oh.
No, we must go out there and get us some interesting content.
Oh my gosh.
Spiders, I'm going for you. I'm going for spiders.
You know what? I'm so done.
No, I'm just.
Let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hang on. Need like 2, 4. I can't tell. That's how many zombies there are. I can't even count.
You know, I'm aiming for spiders right now.
3, 4,
For a bow.
5.
I need spiders.
There's 6 zombies on my, like, for real.
I just need some spiders. Oh god, no. No, there's 2 zombies and a freaking skeleton, and I'm lagging, so I'm about to die.
I broke my pickaxe.
Oh god, the lag is ridiculous. This is what I get for going for interesting content. This is what I get, isn't it? Very interesting indeed. If I make it out alive, guys, I just want to say I'm good at video games.
Wow. That's the one thing you have to say.
If I make it out alive.
I need to like kill things. I'm gonna have to use my pickaxe.
Are you kidding me, skeletons? I was doing so well until a skeleton.
Yeah! I'm gonna die. No, I just found this
Oh god, it's lagged.
spot.
Well, my friends, we must find a spider. I need spiders.
Why do you need spiders?
Bow. I heard it's way easier with a bow, so we're going for bows.
Oh yeah, it is easier to kill a dragon with bows. Speaking of which, we haven't said anything about the mod. Okay, so the mod. We have to kill wait, did we talk about it? I'm pretty sure we did.
We did.
Why are these zombies like immune?
You must kill the. Oh gosh, stop lag. Oh god. I think the server just crashed. Oh, never mind, we're good.
I've taken so much. This pickaxe of mine takes so much damage.
Oh god. I feel like I'm about to crash right now.
There's a creeper over there.
Dude, this thing is so laggy, I feel like I'm actually about to crash.
The server's so laggy. I'm sorry, driver.
Where the frick is this dumb skeleton? Oh, found
The one
it.
I was dealing with, or the one you were dealing with?
Oh! No, I won't kill it. Come on, lag! Why? I hate lag. Not screw interesting content.
Grit? Okay, I need a sword. It's like, why are there so many mobs? Like, for real mobs?
I just wanted some interesting content. Well, I got some interesting content, and I immediately want to go back. Okay.
You immediately regret it.
Frick you, zombies! Oh gosh, if I lose to a single zombie, that's gonna be pretty embarrassing.
There were so many though. Why were there so many? Like, for real?
This has to stop, Mojang! I'm just gonna stay down here, or it's safe. Hopefully. It's not safe.
You just stay underground till morning?
Yes, I have already been killed enough. Thank you. I'm done with this game. Well, we gotta go, guys. I'm done. This has to be ended. I'm going to have some fun with my life. Goodbye.